I am S. Kalni from Senior KG student at Wisdom Nursery Primary School. Vehicle to my exhibition to my project Miss After Dia Breakfast lunch and dinner. Early woman 8:14 I go to school. I have a breakfast 12:20 and rings. Thank you.